everybody? I'm in Birmingham today and I'm here at Resorts World, which is just by Birmingham International Airport and the NEC. And in Resorts World there's all kinds of things. There's a bowling alley, there's a cinema, all kinds of different restaurants. But today specifically I am here to try one of America's newest fast food chains. Just got into Resorts World now, and as I can see, they've even got a casino here as well. I don't think I'll be checking that out today. I don't want to lose too much money. Got a spa upstairs as well, and a Sky Bar and restaurant right up at the top. A Cineworld, loads of bars, different restaurants. I need to go have a look about. While I've got you here though, will you do me a massive favour and hit that like button and subscribe if you want. It'll cost you absolutely nothing, or no, as they say in Yorkshire. So you know, do that, and even consider hyping this video up as well. One of YouTube's newest features. Anyway guys, let's go explore. Let's have a gander. Bowling alley there. What we're doing that today. It's probably not much fun playing bowling on your own, is it? Be over it within a flash and all. An escape room thing there, attraction, escape hunt they're calling it, but I think it's kind of an escape room attraction. Never done one, not fancy it. So you can get a cocktail though, so that might just soften the blow of being stuck in a room with your dearest. A couple Asian food outlets there. You got a carnage. I hope I'm saying that. Carnage Japanese fried chicken. Sounds pretty nice actually. I guess it's like a katsu curry type thing. And then there was a Vietnamese street food place as well. Couple of usual suspects there. You got Five Guys and ZZ's. ZZ's is quite nice actually for a chain restaurant. I like that. Italian, really nice pizza. Five Guys though, for a fast food joint, it's probably not even classed as that, is it? But it's a day to do. Talking bloody hell, 20 quid for a burger and chips and a drink, aren't you? So I'm taller than all these. Robbie behind me, towering above him. Yeah, a lot of people don't realise how tall I am. 6'2". Elton John, only 5'6" Elton John, even Nelly towers above him. This is 27th of December by the way guys. All Boxing Day sales have already started, obviously because it's 27th, that was a silly thing to say, wasn't it? But you get what I mean, sales are on. Another Vietnamese street kitchen up here. Maybe it's the upstairs bit of the other one actually. But yeah, and there's a Cineworld as well with an IMAX screen. I've got a fair few hours to kill to be fair before my train back up to Leeds, so I might actually go watch a movie. I'm not sure what though. Don't know if I could sit through Avatar for 3 hours or whatever it is. I'll have a look in a bit though. Got a Miller & Carter there as well. Apparently it's a really nice steakhouse that. Chain wouldn't mind. I've never tried it though. Let me know in the comments. Do you rate it? Is it worth going? Las Iguanas there as well. Not even sure what kind of food they do. Let's have a look. Guessing Mexican. And nachos, tacos. Yeah, looks like a Mexican spin with a bit of curry as well. Steak. Some kind of South American influence I think. Oh, Peru. Something to do with Peru there. Cheeky Nando's there. That must be in every shopping mall or retail park in country, must it? It's everywhere Nando's now. But is it overrated? I think it is a little bit for what it is. Right, got a fair few hours to kill like I say, so I'm going to go watch the new Jack Black and Paul Rudd film, Anaconda. Meant to be a comedy, so we'll go check this out. I might show you guys if I get some cinema snacks. It's going to cost me a fortune, innit, if I get out. I am a fan of nachos though. Right, so I'm going to check this out, and then when I'm done, I'll let you know what I think of film as well. No, it's not that kind of channel, but I'll let you know. And then I'm going to try this new American fast food place. Got glasses on ready. Can't say a thing without them when it comes to watching telly or cinema. Got a combo deal, nachos and a drink, large Pepsi. and it was nearly 14 quid. Cinema ticket cost me 14 quid, so this couple of hours to kill's cost me nearly 30 quid. It's got to be that fake plastic cheese dip as well. There's something quite slightly addictive about it. I know it's probably not good for you, highly processed, but it's just delicious, isn't it? Especially jalapenos as well. Let's go check out this film now. Hopefully it's quite funny. Let you know what I think when I get out, and then we'll go check out this fast food joint.
A while later.
So, just come out of Anaconda. Hey, it was a good little film that. I enjoyed it. Jack Black. Very funny, yeah. Only had 51% on Rotten Tomatoes, so I thought, oh, it's probably not going to be right good, but I enjoyed it. Good popcorn flick. Not right keen on steaks, but yeah, it was quite funny, mix the horror with comedy. So yeah, I'd give that Yorkshire Lee seal of approval for a nice film. Got about another hour and a half to go before my train comes, so I think what I'm going to do now is go check out that fast food place. So this is the place I'm going to try, Dave's Hot Chicken. Big in America, started in Los Angeles in 2017, I believe. And the founder, one of them at least, was called Dave, hence Dave's Hot Chicken. Let's go in and check out. It looks very busy actually, I might not be able to get a seat. Let's see. So it's one of those places where you've got to self-order on machines and then just wait for your order and then find a seat. So fingers crossed I can get sat down. Don't know what I'm going to, I have no idea what to sell other than, I know it's chicken obviously, clues it name. So let's have a look what they do here. What do I want? Go for a meal. Dave's number one maybe. Dave's number two looks like a burger. I'm not that hungry, but I'd like to try a bit of stuff. Tell you what, let's go for a Dave's number one. What spice levels you got here? You've got no spice, light, mild, medium, hot, extra hot, or Reaper. Ooh, extra hot. In fact, let's go back. Let's try. We'll try a Reaper for this one. I'll go back for the first one, and we'll just try a medium on that. Let's see what difference is. Meal side, we will go for normal fries, and I'll go for just a normal Coke. Let's add that to order. Let's have a look at sides. Let's try the mac and cheese. Right, so there's my order. Got a single tender, a Dave's number one, which get two tenders, a slice of bread, a bit looks, some pickles and stuff. Then you got a mac and cheese. So it's $17.47. Very fancy decor in here, isn't it? Very funky, trendy. God, I sound like my granddad, don't I? LA originated it to capitalise on LA's ever popular fried chicken scene, and apparently they were inspired by another brand that originated in California, which was In-N-Out Burger. Never tried that, but I've heard it's great.
A while later.
So finally got me Dave's Hot Chicken, guys. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? I think it's kind of what it's about. Simple fried chicken, I think, is the philosophy. So yeah, it's just two slices of white bread, with two pieces of chicken. And I've got the mac and cheese as well. Looks a bit on the dry side, doesn't it? I'll have to give that a whirl before it gets cold. My chips, which are seasoned. And a tub of Dave's hot sauce, which I think is meant to be really nice. Yeah, I was sat here for a good 20 minutes, guys. 25 actually, nearly. So fast food isn't a thing anymore, is it? You're waiting a long time for what effectively is like, it's a glorified KFC, isn't it? I mean, it looks nice, it's cooked fresh to order, but is fast food even a thing anymore? I mean, even at McDonald's you can be waiting, can't you? Right, let's start with chicken. I'm going to try and work out which one's the Reaper. I feel like one's a little bit darker. Let's try it over first. I'm going to guess this one here. That's the Reaper, I'm guessing. We'll soon find out, I guess. Unless the medium's really spicy as well. I'm just going to take a bite on its own. I've just cut that, got a bit on my fingers and licked them. I think the one I've cut is the Reaper, so I'm going to go for over first. If it's not the Reaper, I'm screwed. Right, let's try this other one. This is hopefully the medium. Looks really juicy and succulent. Yeah, that's definitely the medium. It's got a kick, but it's not unbearable. It's nice actually, really juicy. Yeah, have a look at this, how juicy it looks. Look at that. Really juicy and succulent. Crispy still, a little bit soggy in certain parts, but I don't really mind that. Good sign of a good fried chicken when it's a bit greasy, I guess. Let's give the Reaper... No, in fact, I'm going to go in for mac and cheese before I go with Reaper, because that little bit I licked, it's still burning. Let's try mac and cheese. Yeah, it's a little bit dry. A bit disappointing actually, mac and cheese. Not enough sauce on it, not moist enough. Here's a fry look. Seasoned fries. Crinkle cut. Very good actually. I mean, you can tell they're a frozen one, but they're nice. Very crispy. Nice season. Like them. Right, time to go in and try the Reaper Hot Chili. I might regret this. I got Dr. Pepper from the machine. It's self-serve. That needs to be standing by ready. Right, here we go, guys. Oh wow. It's building. Am I turning a nice colour red? Wow. Oh. Wow, that's red hot. I'm colouring this chair behind me now, aren't I? Oh. Oh. The chicken is so tender, but that's not enjoyable, is it? Oh Jesus. Oh. My bloody mouth. Oh, Jesus. I'm going to have a pickle. I think that's what it's to do, isn't it? Oh. Oh. Come back to me, guys. Oh, I'm in a bad way. Give me 2 minutes.
A while later.
My nose is running out a lot. Oh. Still letting up. Things I do for this channel. Oh. Right, I'm going to try a bit of Dave's sauce because I haven't tried that yet. Hopefully it's cool. I mean, in a place called Dave's, hot chicken, maybe not. Right, let's try and make sure I pick up the right chicken. Oh, I forgot which one's which. Oh, nightmare. Right, I think this is the cooler one. Dip it in this sauce, look. It's a bit like burger sauce. See that? Dip it in. Oh, my mouth. Oh, it's clear its sinuses out. Oh, that sauce is good. I'd be enjoying this if it weren't for Reaper one. Oh, the chicken is really succulent. It's almost like thigh meat, but I think it is breast, but it's really succulent. I can see why people do like this place. Much more succulent than like your KFC or whatever. That's making me sneeze a lot. I'm going to need more napkins. The lady did give me some honey as well. I think honey and fried chicken is a thing, so let's give that a try. Give this a try with a bit of honey on it. Oh, dripping all over. That's what she said. That's nice, that bit of sweet with it, actually. I'll eat it with a pickle as well at the same time. And you got your sweet, your sour and your spicy. Oh, I'm still in pain. The medium's probably about right for me. Really good. I'm just upset that the hot one has spoiled it for me. The Reaper one. Reaper chili, I'm guessing. Alright guys, I'm going to try and eat as much of this as I can, but I'm suffering here. I'm drinking this Dr. Pepper and try and have a few more of the mild bits. Well, medium. I'm crying, guys. I can't eat no more. Just not enjoying it because of that Reaper chicken. What I did have of the other stuff were gorgeous. Well, the chicken, chips were chips, so nice and crispy. Can't complain. Mac and cheese were a little bit disappointing. I'd probably give that a skip next time. The sauce were really nice. Dave's hot sauce, Dave's sauce, I guess. I'm in tears of the rest of it. And it were a bit steep and all. Right, give me final thoughts outside. My nose is still running, my eyes are still watering. That was nuts. That was hot. That was spicy. I mean, I did it for a channel. I wanted to see how spicy the Reaper actually was, and yeah, it wasn't a good idea. Why do people go that out of enjoyment? It's just not fun. My tongue is literally on fire. My nose won't stop running. It's giving me a good clear out, I guess. Right, need to we'll get trained back to Castleford now. Well, Leeds and then Cass. But I've had a nice time down in Midlands, West Midlands. If you've not seen it already, you might have seen the match day vlog. Went to watch West Brom for Boxing Day football. Hi guys, this is about 20 minutes since I finished video, but I've just seen that sign there. I should have ordered ahead, but I didn't know that time. Probably saved a lot of time. I would have been waiting 25 minutes, but it is what it is. And also, another thing I wanted to mention, bit noise in here. Another thing I wanted to mention, if you noticed a wet patch on my jumper, it's because I had an accident with my nacho cheese sauce. Anyway guys, back to Pastley. If you're not already done it guys, go over and support the other channel, Yorkshire Lee, What's the Tea? That's where all the charity music is going, which supports Bowel Cancer UK, so any money we get from that will go over there. Need to get monetized so I can start contributing from that for the charity as well, so get over there and do that. And if you like this one, you might like that match day one I was just talking about, or you might like this one right here. See you next one guys, ta-ra!